Winters in Northern California bring good waves for surfing and Dungeness crab. The crab boats usually start fishing before Thanksgiving, but this season, between migrating whales and price negotiations, it didn't start till this week. These crab pots will be loaded and secured on the boats. When they get out in the ocean, they'll put bait in them, throw them overboard, attached to the long ropes. Some of the crabbers sell their catch here on the wharf. They're not cheaper than the markets, but they sure are fresher. These hard-working crabbers deserve a good price for their catch. They've been working all night, pulling up the crab pots, unloading them in the dark and cold. We're going to buy a couple big ones for dinner tonight. They'll be over 2 pounds each, and today they're $9 a pound. The negotiated price from wholesalers is under $3 a pound this year. So they're smart to sell a few at retail market price. This year they're especially good, big and full of meat, real sweet. You'll never have them better than this if you cook them while they're still moving. Delicious dinner.